This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Audra Burge. Let me start by saying dining area sac. Great home, great location, great price. Semi-open floor plan, kitchen with eat and dining room opens to the living room area. Great size bedrooms all with walk-in closets. Huge family room or game room. Great covered porch on the back of the home. Nice privacy fence surrounding backyard with a great storage shed that remains with the home. This is a great place to live, no traffic and a great area to ride bikes and kids to play. For more information, review the details below.